Is your PC running slow? Or maybe your storage is almost full? In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete junk files and free up valuable disk space on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. We'll clean up temporary files, system cache, and other hidden clutter that's slowing your computer down. Let's jump in and give your PC a performance boost. Method 1. Delete cache files with CMD. Step 1. Click Windows, enter CMD, and select Run as Administrator. Step 2. Enter %system root %\explorer.exe%temp%\. To view all temporary files in the computer, enter del %temp%\star.**s/q. To completely delete temporary files. Method 2. Use the Run program to clean up cache files. Step 1. Press Windows plus R. To open the Run program, enter temp or %temp% and click OK to find the temporary files. Step 2. In the pop-up window, press Ctrl+A to select the target file, and then click Delete. Method 3. Efficient third-party software. Step 1. Open AOMEI, click Release, and PC Cleaner in sequence. Step 2. There are an estimated number of junk files on your PC. Click Start Scan to thoroughly scan your PC. Step 3. You will see some junk files in the interface. Select the target files and click Clear All. Step 2. After the operation is completed, click Return. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.